The next thing that I would like to talk to you about is the carrot approach, and to dive a little bit deeper into it, and maybe look at some related concepts. So it's based on the theory that leaders should reward positive behavior, and that theory goes on to state that employees will recognize the potential for the future rewards, and they'll act in the manner in which the leader wants them to in order to obtain the rewards. The rewards can be small scale. They could be something as little as stopping by to say thank you at the end of the day, giving an employee a candy bar for accomplishing a task, or the leader offering to give them an extended lunch break. Rewards can also be much larger scale too. A promotion, a pay increase, a bonus, a trip. Some cases, even cars are given out. So it all kind of depends upon what the situation is and what carrot the leader would want to extend. The next part of the theory is that leaders should not punish negative behavior. And so that's where the stick part comes in. That goes on to state that employees are less responsive when threatened with consequences as opposed to if they're offered rewards for positive behavior. Managers should also not lead by fear. That's not productive and is counterproductive. One of the most important parts of the carrot approach is to make sure you're using the right carrot for one, your industry, and for two, the goal or task you're trying to get accomplished. So, for example, sales companies often use commissions as kind of like an ongoing carrot. In other words, if you're in computer software sales and you sell a lot of software in a given month, you'll earn additional commission, which will end up being a monetary reward or a monetary carrot for you. One of the recommendations is that a leader should meet with each person on the team individually and kind of just figure out what motivates them. You're going to have some employees that, money's important to everyone, but there are quite a few employees out there that really just like a thank you at the end of the day. So if you find out that, that's an important part of an employee's rewards, and that's an important part of what motivates them, then that would be a carrot the leader would want to offer a given employee. And you want to adjust the carrot to individual employees whenever possible. Now, that's not going to be doable on a every case basis because sometimes you're going to need to offer a blanket reward and allow any employee to obtain it. But when it comes to smaller scale things, you could kind of tailor it to meet each individual employee's needs in order to get the most out of a given employee. You might have one employee who prefers to have an extended lunch break. You might have another employee that likes when you come by and give them a candy bar. Or you might have a third employee who, really just wants a thank you at the end of the day. So it's important that you use the proper carrot and you stick to the carrot approach and not other methods.